I'm about to throw this banana off of my porch, not just because it's icky, but also because it's going to improve your SAT math score. If you stick a graph over me and you watch me throw the banana, you're going to see that we create a parabola, and we can mark all of the important points on that parabola. The top of the porch where I'm standing is going to be our y-intercept, which is always going to be our starting point for these types of word problems. As I throw the banana into the air, you're going to see that it reaches a high point, and that high point is going to be my vertex. And then, you may have guessed it, when that banana finally hits the ground, that is my x-intercept. Now, we might have caused a bit of a mess, but we also caused some learning. Now let's try and solve this problem based on the man throwing his banana off the porch. All right, go ahead and pause the video and see if you can answer this question based on what we just learned. But I'm going to go ahead and tell you. So it says a man throws a banana from his porch, as we know, and they give us this equation here. Now, the question is basically asking, what is the height from which the banana was thrown? So this would obviously be the height of the porch, and this is in standard form. And in standard form, C is our y-intercept, so our answer is going to be 5.4. All right, let's try one more. This one's a little bit more complicated, but we've got the same situation, more or less, right? We've got someone throwing a banana up into the air, but this time it's asking us to interpret function h of 1.5 equals 8.3. So pause the video and try this on your own first. But basically, we know that our function itself is going to be the height of the banana, right? So the height, the function itself, should be 8.3. And then we know that x, in this case, is standing in for the number of seconds. So since 1.5 is plugged in for x, we're looking for 1.5 seconds. So an answer with 1.5 seconds, 8.3 feet. Choice A says the height of the banana, 1.5 seconds after being thrown straight up into the air, is 8.3 feet. That matches up with what I want, so that's going to be my answer. Now, I would say that's the most common type of parabola, quadratic-based word problem that you're going to come across on the SAT. That said, there are three more, one of which has to do with this cutting board. And if you want to learn what this cutting board has to do with parabola word problems, go ahead and become a Fancy Pants student so you can watch part 2. And I know what you're thinking.
Hey man, what the heck? I don't want to have to pay to watch part 2. Give me something for free.
So, you know what? I'll give you something for free. Use the link in the description and you can get access to 10 practice problems so that you can practice the concept that you just learned. I'm here to serve everyone. You're welcome. Enjoy.